Hi everyone, New England Gardening here. Today's Friday, July 15th. And I haven't been in this Layens Hive since these bees moved in, so I'm going to crack open the lid, take a look inside, because I cleaned it out when it was a dead out, and took out the remaining dead bees and cleaned the bottom as best I could. And I can't remember where I put the follower board, so I wanted to give time for, I don't know if it'd be funny if it's actually a marked queen, if I end up seeing the queen. So, give it a little smoke. Let's crack this open slowly. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, they'd have plenty of room to follow a board. There's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 frames in. So got this piece of plywood here. Seems to be propylized down. Oh yeah. Wow, they really glued it. Oh, I thought I had less than that. Thought I was still needing a couple of, well, I do have this other, well, they've completely sealed it. I have this top bar here that I drilled some holes in with some screen. Wow, they're down this end here. I don't know how I dispatched the bee there. That was weird. So I just picked up the lid. Well, let me go see what's going on in there. Okay, but these frames were packed with honey, and I mean, that looks like old honey, and it's gone. So let me go further into this, see what's going on here. This hive really produces propolis. They've just gummed up everything. Yeah, so it appears as if they're just, maybe that's something that they do, is they get rid of old honey, because they are just cleaning out these frames and cleaning out the cells. I mean, these frames are packed. You can see the color. This is the old honey, and they're just maybe using it to raise the brood. Less work for them just to use the existing honey. I was thinking it probably had crystallized by now. Now this frame here is wet, does have nectar in it. So it seems like they used the old honey and are finally bringing in new nectar. Because these frames were filled with honey. This is heavy too. Wow. This is a little bit funky though. No, this is packed. Still have drones in here. Oh, there's some drones and some brood right on the bottom here. I wonder I should take some of those polished frames off of the end and put them here. Put them at this end here. Alright everyone, so I knew this was a lighter frame, And it is just packed with capped brood. Got honey at the top. And capped brood on the other side here too. Wow. And this is the 6th frame from the main entrance that they like to, like to use. Wow. Yeah, I must have had, this wasn't off of my hive because I already had bees swarm. And that was basketball size. So somehow I missed these bees moving in. And it didn't seem like it was a lot of activity. There still doesn't seem to be that much activity when they go in through that center, through that large opening there with the disc on it. Let's see. There's no way I'm gonna, unless she's a marked queen. Is there some dark bees in here? So there's another frame of brood. Not much drones, just on that one frame that I pointed out with a little bit of brood on it on the bottom, but I was hoping I got somebody's marked queen so it would make it easy to find her. Huh. Yeah, this you can see there that dark drone. So I put my sun to my back here. You can get a better look. Here's the 5th frame, just packed with, about to explode. Both sides with the nice honey. I guess there's some pollen, yeah, a little bit of a ring of pollen just below the honey, but it's not like packed with pollen. So here's the 3rd frame, a little bit lighter. Some pollen. I can't really tell if there are eggs. It's a lighter frame. Can't really see. Okay, everyone, this is the 2nd frame. She's on the 2nd frame. I just seen her. Where'd she go? There she is. Can you see her right there? It's a golden color. There she is. Haven't seen a queen in a while. I haven't spotted the one in the other hive yet. And there she is. Let's see. Make sure she's in the center of the frame when I get her back in. Alrighty, one, but I thought I heard piping. Did you hear that? Or maybe it's just these bees on the cover here. I'm going to take one of these frames to move it up front. So I was able to get into the Layens, see what was going on there, since I didn't actually see the swarm move in, but I got a better idea what's going on. It's packed with bees. I found the queen, and she's laying. There's a lot of sealed brood, so it's going to get even larger. And it looks like they used up the old honey that I had in there from the dead out, and I was wondering what I was going to do with it, but it looks like they used most of it. Not for building new comb, I guess maybe just for feeding brood. Maybe that's one of the reasons they moved in. But yeah, saw the queen. I moved one frame around, had its old comb. I should probably take a couple of those frames and just take out the old comb and leave wire for them to build new. But yeah, I almost sold the bees. I chickened out, but I still might. I've got a neighbor that can take the bees, so that still might be a possibility. But yeah, I have. I know you can rent extraction equipment if you join a bee club, but I have like honey supers. I know on the Langstroth, I've got a honey super that's completely full there. Needs to be extracted. But and they're hanging out on the front of the box at nighttime, so I've got another deep that I cut down to an 8 frame, and I can put that on top of this Langstroth. But yeah, wanted to see what was going on in the Layens. So this is New England Gardening. Today's Friday, July 15th, 2022. Thanks for watching.